Hello everyone, Grandma here, and I came across this recipe in one of my cookbooks for beer pancakes. I thought I would make them this morning for Grandpa's breakfast. The ingredients you need to make the beer pancakes are 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 12-ounce can or bottle of beer. In my large mixing bowl, I'm going to add the 1 3/4 cups of flour. And like I said, this is all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going to be adding 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then what you want to do is just mix this well. And then I'm just going to put this aside now because it's all mixed well, it's incorporated well, so I'll put this aside. And then I'm using a small mixing bowl. I'm going to add my 1 egg, my 3 tablespoons of butter, and my 1 tablespoon of honey. Sure I get it all in. I'll just mix these 3 ingredients. I softened the butter. The butter I had out and I softened it, so it'll be easier to stir it. Okay, so it's all mixed together, the butter, the egg, and the honey. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dry ingredients and I'm going to add the liquid ingredients to my dry ingredients. And after you add all the liquid in the bowl here, I'm going to add my can of beer. And you could use whatever beer you want. This is a 12-ounce can. And now I'm just going to pour it I'm just going to pour it into the batter. And now I'm going to take my wooden spoon and just mix this all together.
Mix up the batter, we'll have a batter of beer. Mix up the batter and it will bring us good cheer. Let's make some pancakes and top them with maple syrup. Now's the time to make beer pancakes, so mix the batter up.
You could really smell the beer. On a hot day, Grandpa likes to have a cold beer once in a while. And for me, I hate beer. I never liked beer at all. I tried to have a sip once and I thought it was awful. But Grandpa in the summertime enjoys a beer once in a while, so I thought, oh well, he should really enjoy these pancakes.
Mix up the batter, we'll have a batter of beer. Mix up the batter and it will bring us good cheer. Let's make some pancakes and top them with maple syrup. Now's the time to make beer pancakes, so mix the batter up.
Now they said they'll have a few lumps, so that's fine. The batter's all ready to make the beer pancakes. I'm using my dash griddle, which I love to make my pancakes on. And I'm also using my little, like a little scoop here that I bought from the Dollar Tree a few years back. You could either use this to make cupcakes, or you could use this to make your pancakes. And since this is about a half a cup. So I'm going to be using this little gadget. And of course I have to wait till the top comes to with the bubbles, as you can see. I'll put some on this side.
Mix up the batter, we'll have a batter of beer. Mix up the batter and it will bring us good cheer. Let's make some pancakes and top them with maple syrup. Now's the time to make beer pancakes, so mix the batter up.
I think the pancakes now, you see the bubbles, I think they're ready to be flipped. That looks good, nice and golden, that's what you want. You want golden brown pancakes. And now these are ready too. And you could smell the beer. You could smell the beer. Now they're done and ready to be put on the plate. They look really nice. The bottom's golden brown, as you could see. This is how you make beer pancakes. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Spread it around.
I hope you enjoy it, Pa.
I'm sure I will, Ma. You know it's my favorite. Delicious, Ma. Something tastes a little bit not like the normal pancakes that you made. You must have put something else in here. A secret ingredient of some sort. Is there beer in this pancake?
Yes, Grandpa. What did you smell it? Or taste it?
Taste it. Surprised me, huh? They're light and fluffy, Ma. Tastes delicious. Thank you, Ma.
And we always like to have some type of fruit when we have our pancakes.
You did a superb job, Ma.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Really tastes good.
Mix up the batter, we'll have a batter of beer. Mix up the batter and it will bring us good cheer. Let's make some pancakes and top them with maple syrup. Now's the time to make beer pancakes, so mix the batter up.